To find documentation for Azure SQL Managed Identity, start by understanding what Managed Identity is. Managed Identity is a feature in Azure that allows Azure resources to authenticate to Azure SQL database without needing to store credentials in code. First, go to the Azure portal and navigate to the Azure SQL Database resource. In the left menu, select the resource for which you want to enable Managed Identity. Then click on the Azure Active Directory section and select Yes to enable the system assigned Managed Identity. Next, search for Azure SQL Managed Identity documentation on the Microsoft Azure website. The Azure documentation website provides detailed information on how to enable and use Managed Identity with Azure SQL Database, including code samples and tutorials. You can also find documentation on the Azure SQL Database Security page, which outlines the benefits and features of using Managed Identity. Additionally, the Azure SQL Database tutorial series includes a section on using Managed Identity to connect to Azure SQL Database from an Azure virtual machine. For more information, refer to the Azure SQL Database GitHub repository, which includes code samples and examples of using Managed Identity with Azure SQL Database. Best practices for using Managed Identity with Azure SQL Database include enabling system-assigned Managed Identity on the resource, using the Managed Identity to authenticate to Azure SQL Database, and avoiding the use of credentials in code. In summary, to find documentation for Azure SQL Managed Identity, start with the Azure portal. Then search the Microsoft Azure website for detailed information and code samples. Refer to the Azure SQL Database Security page and tutorial series for more information. And follow best practices to ensure secure authentication to Azure SQL Database.